Hi everyone, my name is Cher. Um, I'm trying to make this message to everyone out there. I'm here today, dynamic physical therapy in East Elmers. Um, I was had an ankle fracture on my right. I couldn't even walk 10 feet or less than that. So less than eight session with Sister Raji and two other sister more over here in this office. They are treating you very well. They make me walk again. So I'm giving this message to old friend and family. So please everyone come to this office. So for your health, that was very fast and very helpful. I really appreciate to the sister, both of them here. They're treating me very well, and I'll be able to walk again. Thank you so much to all friends and family. Please come to this office in East Elmers. Thank you. Bye bye.